What's going on, everybody? Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there today, man. I hope you're having a wonderful day. You're getting everything that you asked for. You know, Father's Day is like number 20 on the list. You know, Christmas and Mother's Day is the number 1 and number 2 on the list. But today, y'all, it's about the fathers today. But man, I got a great video for you all today, and I hope you enjoy it. You know, it's been raining outside. It's been raining everywhere. And this video is gonna fit what I'm about to talk about right now. And I think you might wanna look into it, and we're gonna get into the video right after this.
Yeah, from the heart of Texas where the wide roads run, Kelly B gliding, rides into the sun on a road glide Kong, 140 strong, tearing up the blacktop, humming like a song. He's got that grace, he's got that style, burning rubber, racking miles. With a thunder in his engine and a spark in his eye, he's a legend on wheels, no need to try. Kelly B gliding, wind in his face, chasing the horizon, leaving no trace. Ain't got too many, a brother or a guide, making friends wherever he rides, with bogey bike or rolling side by side through the 3 twisted sisters. What a ride!
First, before I start this video, I want to give a shout out to Odin MFG. I'm a big fan. I've been rocking their gloves for a minute. I have to put some links in the description about their riding gloves, the best gloves on the market. And I know quite a few of you have bought their products, man. And I really appreciate you checking out my videos and going to their website and checking out what they have. Today, y'all, I needed another rain suit for Hook because I didn't want to wear the rain suit that I wear with my road glide on my Honda. So Odin MFG was nice enough to send me out another rain suit, and they also included the boots, man. I really appreciate Odin Manufacturing. So I'm gonna put a website down here. You can go check out their website. Quite a few of y'all already been on their website checking out their products. But man, today I got a rain suit, and I got the boots, and I got the gloves, waterproof, y'all. First, we're gonna start with their gloves. These are waterproof gloves. I'm in my office, so I'm not gonna be able to pour water on them. It has the little knuckle protection in them right here. Oh my God, and it's really nice and soft, man. Just a great product. You have their name brand right here on the gloves as well. And it also has the magnet in here. These are some great gloves for the winter. And they waterproof so if you get caught in the rain, if you like me, I hate riding my bike without my gloves on. And you have the nice Velcro here. I like the way they come up over this right here. So if your raincoat come down here, this can go over it to keep the rain and the wind from getting up in there. And they are not bulky at all. You got quality leather on the inside of the glove. One thing about Odin Manufacturing, they are known for their leather, known for it. But yeah, these are some awesome waterproof gloves. Man, they call the Battle Series right here. You go check out the website and check out the Battle Series waterproof gloves. These are awesome. And y'all, as you can see sitting up here, I have the Odin MFG waterproof boots. These are the perforated boots right here. Y'all, these boys fit comfortable. And one thing I like about them, man, they came with let me open the box here. They came with this pad in the bottom of them right here. You see how thin that pad is right there. But they actually put another D30 pad in here. You see how thick that pad is? It is so comfortable, man. I have tried these boots on, and I really like the way they made. They're very stylish, so they actually don't look like boots. It has their name on the bottom of them as well. Man, that is awesome looking boot. And I like how stiff it is, because you want a boot that's kind of stiff on the bottom of the sole, in case you go down, your feet won't be bending, and then your ankle, and you got great ankle protection right here. You got a deal right here just for your ankle protection. And it has the zipper on the side right here. Look at that. And after you zip it up right there, you go all the way up. Then they have their logo right there where you can actually hide the zipper. These gonna be my new riding shoes, y'all. Man, look at that. I just love the way they look. See, one thing about Odin, I can rock this with my Road Glide or my Honda. So it don't have just a motorcycle company name on it. And it has their logo here as well. And I like this right here. It's kind of to the side, as you can see that right there. I like that, so you can actually, you know, sometimes they be flat. When you get some of them and they be flat like that, and you can't really get your hand in there. So they put it to the side right here, as you can see, where you can put your finger in there. Yeah, really easy. So I have tried these on. I'm gonna put this whole suit on after I show you the pants, and I'm gonna show you what it looked like. And now let's get to the real reason we are here today. Y'all, the pants. I love the pants, y'all. Look at the pants. Very nice looking pants. These are waterproof pants right here. These pants are like motorcycle riding pants. That's one reason I like these pants and I like their products. So these are waterproof. You know, say if you know it's finna rain, you can put these on before you actually get on the bike. And you can actually ride these to where you're gonna go on your destination. As you can see right here, this rubber-like material, you can actually, this is where you zip it up at. And that's what make it waterproof. Water will not get in there at all. You got the pockets, you have the, say if I put these pants on, I'm gonna definitely put them on. And let me put them on first and I can really show you what's going on with the pants, okay? You have the little logo on the back of the pants with the elastic in the waist. That's a good thing that you can, you know, one thing about these that I know, you do not have to wear, you can put some tights on or just some boxers on and rock these right here, especially when you know it's finna rain. And you got a zipper here, but let me put them on and I can best show you everything else. Okay, let me get it on. As you can see, I have the pants on, y'all. And right here, you have a zipper here as well. You can put something in here and you can see that it's waterproof as well. And you have the Velcro on the side right here. And you can tighten the pants as tight as you need them. And like I say, right here in the front, it's got the nice zipper here. And on the side here, and say if you're riding and it stopped raining, you can unzip this to get some air in here. So all this is waterproof, and they had a logo here as well. So, but yeah, you can get air. And another thing that I like, if you look down here, you can hook this to your boots right here and keep them down while you're on the bike. But these are waterproof and I really like them. Like I say, you do not have to wear anything up on them, but unless you want to, go up a size so you can do that. And this is the Battlefield jacket. I like it. This is the rain jacket here. You got the logo here. You can also make it tighter if you need to. Like I say, you can make it tighter so where the gloves can go over that. I showed you the gloves already. You have a zipper right here as well. To, you know, if you need to put something there, a rag or something. And this jacket is waterproof. Right now, I'm rocking, this is an extra large right here. And I'm probably making noises with this mic. Let me move this mic right here. So, matter of fact, let me move the mic because it's probably making noises like crazy. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stick the mic right here on my hat. But right here, you see, this is waterproof, man. You can wear this. You got different pockets on here, right here, right here. Just see how far the pockets go back. Look at that. My hand is way back here on those pockets, y'all. Look at that. Way up on the arm. And one thing that I like about these pockets, y'all, this one here, gotta say if you riding and your shield get all wet, you got a cloth in here. See that? That's tacked. Where you can take and just wipe off your visor, y'all. You can wipe that off. I think this is a wonderful product, and the water would just fall right off of it. And you watch the way the jacket is cut. You see the way the cut right here and they slope down right here? I like the way that is right there. And you go to the back of it, it's got the logo in the middle right here. And man, this is an awesome product. I like it because I don't have to have anything else up under here. I can put t-shirt and some shorts on and ride. And like I said, it's got plenty of ventilation for you as well. And I'm gonna show you the inside of the jacket. It's got a breathable liner in here, so you won't get as hot and sweaty as, you know, in here at all. So you'll still get some wind off in this jacket right here. And you have a zipper on the outside. Let's say you ride and you just let this down right here, this zipper here, and you have one on the other side as well, so you can get air in here. So this can be your full riding jacket. If you know you're getting ready to ride into some rain, this will be perfect. I love it, y'all. And I want to thank Odin Manufacturing for sending me this out. This gonna look good with the boots on here. And like I say, man, Odin MFG, I really appreciate you sending me this product out to show you all. Y'all, these boots are great quality and they are so comfortable. And these gonna be my new riding shoes. We're gonna put the J's up for a while. So yeah, man, I mean, just an awesome looking riding shoe. Just look like a regular tennis shoe. That's what it look like. It doesn't look like a boot. And you can get the perforated, or you can get the full waterproof one that they have on the website. And like I say, I put the website right down here, so you can go check out Odin Manufactured. Get you this, the gloves, and the rain suit. Man, they got hoodies, caps, anything on their website that you're looking for, they have it on there. But this is an awesome product right here, y'all. And we're gonna end this video. And like I say, I'm rocking an extra large. I really like that, man. You got, like I said, it's got that elastic right here as well. So if you need the room, so yeah, it is on point. You see how good it look. And then one thing about it, it's had this hood on it. I almost forgot this hood right here on here. You can take this hood off and just say, you know, a lot of people, rain suits, you get wet down up in here. You can let this all the way up like this right here and put your helmet on and take this hood off, and it would come right over this right here, so that you won't get any rain inside of your inside your clothes. So this thing is full waterproof right here. So make sure you go check out the website. And if you want something that look fashionable, that look good on you while you riding, this is the product to get. And I really like this product. Just look at it again, y'all. Look at the product, y'all. It looks really, really nice, y'all. But we're gonna end the video right here. Until the next time, until we cross the East Texas line, y'all stay safe. Y'all have a blessed one. And make sure you click the like, share, and subscribe button for me. I would greatly appreciate it. The channel is growing. I appreciate you watching the videos, making the comments. That means a lot. That helps the algorithm of the channel. If you have family and friends that don't know about this channel and they ride motorcycles, or you know somebody who just like watching motorcycle content, they might not ride no more, hey, tell them about Kelly B Gliding, all right? And we're gonna get out of here. Y'all stay safe. Y'all have a happy Father's Day. I'm out, man. Peace.
LEDs rolling, hear that engine cry, riding like the stars are falling from the sky, hard on the road, soul in the ride. Forever bold on that Kelly B glide. He rides with fire, he rides with pride. Wind in his hair on that Kelly B glide. No looking back, just miles to burn. Every twist and turns, another lesson learned.